AVN Air Conditioning is proud to have serviced Laredo for many years, and we are looking forward to serving you in the years to come. Our experienced staff has been proficiently trained and tested to service all name brands, and we have several crews prepared to take on any job, whether big or small. We are a one-stop solution. Our services are backed up by our quality guarantee and a proven track record of success. Call us today to find out how we can help you and ask about our price guarantee and other promotions. AVN Air Conditioning, 956-251-6501.